In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send estimates, quotes, and proposals in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your process, this guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you can efficiently manage your business proposals. Let's start by logging into your QuickBooks account. First, you need to click on the Sign In button to get started. Once you've done that, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. It is essential to ensure that you're accessing the online version, as it offers a range of tools and features to help manage your financial tasks efficiently from any location. Next, type in your credentials. Make sure to enter your username and password correctly, then click Continue to access your dashboard. Remembering your credentials or having them saved in a secure password manager can save you time and protect your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you will see a button labeled New. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to creating various transactions and documents within QuickBooks. From the drop-down, select Estimate. Estimates are essential for giving your clients an idea of what to expect in terms of pricing and services, functioning as a preliminary proposal that you can convert into an invoice down the line. After selecting Estimate, you'll need to add the customer details along with their email address. It's crucial to ensure you have the correct customer information so that the estimate reaches the intended recipient without any issues. Now input the estimate date and its expiration date. Deadlines can be an effective way to encourage customers to respond promptly, allowing for efficient business management. You'll then proceed to add the product or service details in the designated section. Be precise and clear about what you're offering to avoid any misunderstandings later on. This part of the estimate allows you and your clients to have a clear reference to what's included. If you have any additional documents, images, or files that support your estimate, QuickBooks provides the option to add attachments. Use this feature if it enhances the transparency or understanding of your estimate for your clients. Once you've completed the form, click on Save and Send. This option allows you to review the estimate and make any last-minute edits before dispatching it to your client. Before hitting send, you can personalize the email by adding a subject line and a message body. Crafting a thoughtful, clear email message can make a big difference in how your proposal is received and understood by the client. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content of your email, click send to deliver your estimate. And there you have it, an estimate sent through QuickBooks that your client can review, making your business operations smoother and more professional. Before we finish, a quick note to remember. Estimates are non-posting transactions, meaning they don't affect your financial statements until they're converted to invoices. This is particularly useful for planning and client communication without prematurely altering your accounts. Thank you for joining me for this step-by-step guide on sending estimates, quotes, and proposals in QuickBooks. Follow these steps and you'll be managing your estimates with ease in no time.